These are the clever multifold ramps from CareCo, providing safe and stable access over high thresholds, curbs, steps and other obstacles. Its aircraft-grade robot-welded aluminium construction makes this a robust yet lightweight ramp that's simple to set up wherever and whenever you need it. It has a width of 28 inches and a loading capacity of 42.5 stone. It's available in lengths including 4, 5, 6 and 7 foot. The wide non-slip surface is suited to most wheeled mobility aids and all kinds of weather, with a lipped edge for extra reassurance. The ramp can be folded away effortlessly and comes fitted with handles for carrying. When compact, it can be stored out of the way or transported in the boot of a car. The clever multifold ramps, part of the wider range of scooter accessories from CareCo. To find out more details, have a look at careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.